City, may tanong ako. Mahilig ka bang magtanim? O di naman kaya, nawiwili ka bang tingnan ng mga halaman ng kapitbahay mo? O di naman kaya, iniisip mo, saan kaya ako makabili ng gardening items na sulit and high quality ngayong holiday season? Alam mo ba na dito sa CitiHardware, mayroon din tayong mga gamit na for sure will make you a certified Plantito and Plantita. Welcome to the outdoor living section in CitiHardware. Makikita nyo ngayon na kumpleto ang CitiHardware in gardening items and tools. Like these pots, in wide selection and different sizes. Meron tayong plastic pots and clay pots available. Dito sa CitiHardware, meron din tayong iba't ibang uri ng halaman na sa pinakamurang halaga, makakapagtanim ka na. Dito naman ay Riker tools for gardening. We have a shovel, post hole digger, hose, that is primarily used to weed and break up soil, and we also have lawn mowers and grass cutters available. Here in this area are our gardening hand tools and different kinds of seeds. Plants, you can use our Riker garden hose with its available accessories, like this nozzle, hose mender, hose hangers, and Riker sprays. For other items on this aisle, meron tayong tables and chairs for kids and for multi-purpose use on different celebrations. Meron din tayong grills that are good for outdoor cooking and grilling. Ayan! Napakagaling naman! Andito na lahat ng hinahanap nyo. Kaya City, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Ngayong holiday season, huwag na magpahuli at bumisita na sa CitiHardware. I'm Liana and see you in our next videos. For more updates, don't forget to like our Facebook and Instagram page. And don't forget to also like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.